One of the few complaints that I had was that my white seats were stained from my pants and my dirty pants or whatever, and no matter how much I cleaned it, it couldn't come off. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got them off to look brand spanking new. Hey you guys, it's Taylor. This is EV Electric. Welcome to the family, welcome to the channel. If you are new here and not subscribed, check out this video, and if you enjoy it so much, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and join the family. We're having fun here, and I'd love for you to join along. As always, you guys, the table of contents with descriptions and time codes are down below if you want to skip around the video and such. And today we're going to start with a background on this white seats. So Tesla, when I bought the car in 2018 of October, Tesla said the white seats are so good, we will replace them for free. They do not stain, they don't get damaged, they clean up easily and all that. And you guys saw in my 25,000 mile review video that one of my few complaints was I can't get the stains off from my dirty pants or colored jeans or whatever. And Tesla said they would come off like no problem, and I was super bummed. Luckily, you awesome people in the comments told me a bunch of ways to actually fix this issue, and I did just that. Okay, I cleaned my seats, like perfectly clean. They looked really, really nice. They still had those stains. I'm like, there's no way this is coming off. Look what came off of my perfectly white seats. Let me make sure you guys can see that. Look how filthy dirty this is. This is the driver's side. I don't know how I remember this. This is the driver's side, and this is the passenger side. And you guys can see how filthy that is. That came off of my seats. The tip for doing this, I'm sorry for these bad videos filmed on my little Osmo. I was just so excited when this started happening. You guys can see here in these videos that I took some cleaning solution and I just wiped this magic eraser on the seats, all over the seat, on the whole bottom part where all the stains and all that stuff was, and it totally would come off. Everything came off. A couple things I want to note though is that the solution, the cleaning solution that I was using was an interior car cleaner. I don't think you need this. I don't think it did much. I think you guys can just use water as well, but I just wanted to note that. Also, another thing is that when you guys do wipe this seat, you'll see it in the video, when you wipe these seats, the water and the solution that you're using will keep all the dirt on the seat. It doesn't really get absorbed in the magic eraser. So while it's all wet and you see all this wet dirt sloshing around, get a dry microfiber and wipe it all up, and then spray some water or cleaner and wipe it up again, because that wet dirt will soon dry and then re-stick onto your seats. One side of this magic eraser was the driver's side, the other side was the passenger. The driver's side is a lot more dirty because I'm in that a lot more. And I just wanted to show you guys this and how great of a community we have, where I had an issue and so many of you guys helped me out with that issue. My seats are feeling absolutely brand new again. Like, they literally feel like it, not just look, they feel brand new again, which is absolutely crazy. So Tesla's seats still hold up to the amount of a beating that they can take, and I don't go easy on these seats. So I'm super happy that you guys told me this method. And to all you people who commented out there and said, they're white seats, what do you expect? They're gonna get dirty. Ha! Look at me now. Thank you for watching.